Jared made me coffee. Look at these cute little cups. And this is our little coffee nook. Thank you for the coffee, Jared.
You're welcome.
Her diapers are in her room.
Oh, just got wipes there, too.
Mm-hmm. Hi, sissy. Cheese. Okay, so I'm doing a voiceover here. Anyone with a toddler knows mornings can get a little crazy. We can get loud, we're singing, we're dancing. But anyway, in this house, I want to have new habits. I want to romanticize the little things, like this, for example. Watering my plants. I'm using this really pretty plant mister, and it just gets me excited to do it. And I put on a cute workout outfit, and I go to my workout class. This is a booty class. It's all legs, and basically we have different stations, and we stay there, work at it, and then we switch stations. And the music and the energy, everything is just amazing. I'm putting my sunglasses on. I'm atrocious right now. That workout is so hard. I feel like it helps me stay lean without trying really hard though, because I'm not like on a strict diet or anything like that. I just try to eat food that makes me feel good, skip the things that doesn't. But why I think that helps me stay lean is because it's cardio mixed with weight training. So I think the two get my heart rate up, which helps you burn more fat. But I don't overdo those classes. I just do that class once a week. So in the past, when I've done like that class 3 or 4 days a week, I have the reverse effect, because then I'm just hungrier and I want to snack more because I'm burning so many calories. So for me, that's the balance, but that doesn't mean it's going to be like that for everybody. So you really do have to listen to your body. I know that that's like cliche when people say that, but you really do. And I'm going to have a yogurt. I'm trying this today. I've never tried this brand. Lemon and mango. We'll try this one.
Hello.
Hey, Mom.
Hi, honey. How are you?
I'm good. I'm loving my house.
You love it?
Yeah.
I love it too. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, and
It's really bright.
it's so bright. I think this is the outfit of the day. Cozy. I'm a little chilly right now. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, I moved into my new house, and anytime, I've moved a lot, so I don't know if you can relate to this or not, but anytime I move, I always get like a little homesick, even though I'm so excited for the move, especially this house. Like, we haven't had a space that really like felt like us in a long time. And we were renting a condo last year while we were looking to buy, and you guys know like the market was crazy, and we just didn't really think we were gonna land on something that we really loved. Like, having a window in my closet was something on my list, like just like little things. And this house fit everything to the T. Like I said, we're doing a few minor projects, but they're not things that like have to be done. They're just things that we want to do. Just like the first night, you don't know how things work. It's more like the fear, I think, than anything else. That's how I was explaining it to somebody else that's moving. The unknown is actually what scares us most about anything, and you can relate to that with anything, literally. Like our goals, the unknown, or maybe entering a new relationship or a new job. The unknown of like sleeping somewhere else for the first time can always be a little scary, because you're like, okay, how does this work? Or, you know, you walk around the house and you're like, okay, this light turns on this light turns on that. So I think when we kind of went through everything and started feeling comfortable, I just loved it. So yeah, my mom was kind of waiting, like, okay, how did they do their first night? How did they do their second night? And the other thing I feel like I don't hear people talk about, moving with a toddler, it's an adjustment for them, especially when they're at the age that they know. Like, we've moved before with Violet, and she didn't really know, but now she does. Now she knows, and she was like asking about the condo, the place we were renting, and she was asking when we're going back, and we showed her like, your bed's here, your toys are here. We kept all the same things, so she would be really familiar. A couple days before we moved in, we were coming here with her and setting up her playroom, and she was getting really excited. When we would be at the condo we were renting, she would say, when are we going back to the house? Once it was time for bed, she was really upset. Broke my heart. I wanted to cry, but I had to stay strong for her. When she went to bed, I called my mom crying, and I was like, oh no. So I just want to say, for anybody else going through that with kids, that it does get easier. Okay, so I just dropped off Violet, and this is something that I used to do all the time, and I would look forward to it every day because I do work from home. I sit at a computer a lot, and sometimes you just need to like break up the day, but at home. You know what I mean? Like, do you guys know what I'm talking about? Where you don't need to go out and about. You don't always need to like spend money at a coffee shop. You could literally just break up the day at home. And this is when I make matcha. So I either make hot or ice. I have a couple recipes on my channel. Today I'm going to make ice just for like a more hydrating taste. And I'm so happy that I found the best matcha, like the best matcha. And really cute cups. I'm obsessed. Jared was like, they look so old fashioned. I'm like, I know, I love them. The 70s are coming back. Side note, can you hear the birds chirping? I love it, it's so peaceful here. And the matcha I'm gonna be showing you guys is by Pique Tea. They sent me this matcha around Thanksgiving. And so when we were at my condo, me and Jared were like experimenting with like hot and iced. And he's somebody that he just doesn't like matcha. Like he's not a matcha guy. But this one, he was like, wait, it doesn't have that grassy taste. Or like, sometimes matcha can have this like bittery taste. A matcha that isn't the best quality will definitely have that like grassy, bitter taste, whereas this one is really smooth and it is ceremonial grade. So if you do want to get the benefits of matcha, matcha could be great for your gut health. It could be great for anti-aging and your skin. It could be very healing, but you want to make sure you're using ceremonial grade. It's really simple because it comes in packets. So we were really enjoying that. And also when I used to show matcha recipes on my channel, people would say, oh, I get like intimidated by matcha. Like I don't know how to make it. So the great thing about Pique, who is also sponsoring today's video and is going to give you guys 15% off plus free shipping. And I'm going to show you guys another tea that I love from them, but they do have the directions. So if you're making iced or cold, they're like right on the packets, which is really convenient. But I actually do mix the iced with warm water. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So you just pour a packet in here. I don't think I could go back to like the matcha that comes in the jar ever again after having it like this, like simple. And I'm going to add warm water, not boiling. And then I'm gonna stir it. You don't have to use one of these, I'm just going to. Okay, so this cafe that I go to in New York City, this is what they add to their matcha and it's fabulous. So it's maple syrup, vanilla, and cinnamon. Add your ice and your milk of choice. Look how delicious that looks. For an iced drink, it's like pretty cozy. It just needs slippers. So that's how I make my iced matcha. And of course you can do this hot as well. But this is how you're going to get like that delicious cafe quality matcha that's actually tastes really good. Like you'll want to drink like 3 of these. I'm actually just getting over being sick and it's been so nice to take these 30-minute breaks to sit outside in the sunshine, you know, when you're sick, and that just feels so good. The other drink that I was drinking so much when I was sick was this Pique BT fountain drink. It has hyaluronic acid. It's great for your skin. It promotes dewy skin. But why I loved it was because it's an electrolyte drink. So it was perfect when I felt a little under the weather. Okay, so I have my beauty drink, my front porch. I wanted a front porch that was like covered and you could just put outdoor stuff out here with cushions and all of that. So just sitting on the bench that the previous owners had. This pairs so well with my matcha. So Violet just fell asleep and it's kind of like my routine. Like she falls asleep, I make my fun drinks. BT Beauty Fountain by Pique, and I love the aesthetic of this drink. So I love the taste and I love that it's an electrolyte powder, so I just feel good drinking it. You probably hear from my voice that it's just still not right. Like I just got over being sick and this was all I wanted to drink. Like when I'm sick, I do not want water. I don't want like to taste water or anything like that. I don't know if that's like a weird thing. You just want something sweet and good, and it pairs really well with the matcha. So again, you guys can check out my description box and use my code with Pique and save 15% off plus free shipping. Okay, so just change into a lightweight ribbed t-shirt. That's a Florida winter for you. It's literally hot and cold all day. But while Violet is still napping, I want to show you guys some of the new stuff that we got for the house, because the theme of the house is that everything has a home. So starting with this basket, I got this at Target and my mom taught me this trick. She said, don't put towels underneath your sink. Don't waste your space underneath your sink. Instead, put them in baskets. And then you can really maximize the storage in your bathroom. And then Jared got an aesthetically pleasing scale. I do want to roll the washcloths in a little like tray, but I have to find a cute one, so I'll show you what I did in my guest bathroom. I love the look of this. I have my Palo Santo here. So in my guest bathroom, and this is pretty much what I want to do in my bathroom and like roll everything. We don't have a fruit bowl yet, so I got this at Target. And then my husband got all these little baskets. You can clean easy when like crumbs spill, but we put everything low so that my daughter can grab it herself. Seaweed is her favorite snack. When you go to eat and your kid does not want to eat the pasta that I made, but they want to eat Dad's.
Yours, yeah. With your fork.
Yeah, so now I'm eating Violet's pasta with her fork. She's eating with a big fork. I know, it's delicious. Alright, we're gonna bake tonight. We haven't used the oven yet. We're making some steak. Carrot cheers. Yeah, the fries are taking a little long. We love steak.
No way.
With all of my friends, and I love to open the cards people send. But my favorite part that I can't wait to see is my birthday cake that Mom's made just for me.